Hey everybody, Limbless here. Today I was going to show you guys a little project that I'm working on. I found this hatchet in a shed out behind my house and completely coated with rust. Pretty rough shape. It wasn't sharp at all. It was dull. The edge on it was had some nicks in it and stuff. So what I did was I took it home and I've been working on it for the last day and a half now, and you might think by looking at it, well, that doesn't look very bad as of right now. It looks kind of shiny. Where's the rust at? Well, I've actually dremeled it 2 times, and I've took it to a bench grinder once, and I'm about ready to take the Dremel to it again to get the remaining bits and pieces of rust off of it, and from there I'm gonna paint it, give it a protective coat of paint to protect it from the elements and shit, so it doesn't get rusty. And this might go in one of my newer bug out bags I'm making. Who knows? Now with this piece of steel wool, I'm just going to kind of give it a rub down. I'm going to tape the edge and the handle. And with everything being taped up, I'm going to spray paint it with some flat black Rust-Oleum. Let that sit and dry, flip it over. Okay, and from here I'm going to put a military mesh net over it, and I'm going to spray it with this it's the closest thing that they had to like OD green, so it's made by Rust-Oleum, so let's give it a shot. Letting it dry out. Pretty much almost done. Just got to remove the tape now. I think it came out alright. Could have done a little bit better. Thanks for watching.